Welcome to Whiteboard Project Management. In this channel, I explain the tools and techniques used in the project management in a practical way. I am Roman and I am a senior project manager with more than 20 years of experience in multinational projects of EPC and PMC. Let's go to the whiteboard and let's start the session.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Being a project manager is not easy. The project manager should have education, should have experience, but also he should have a special skills. That leads him to be a successful project manager. In this session, we will explain the project manager skills. Okay, so we said that in today's session, we will go to the project manager skills. Each person have some skills, but the project manager should have some special skills. In this quick session, I will explain the main skills that the project manager should have. So, the first skill the project manager should have should be a strong technical. Means, if the project manager is leading the team and leading a project where the project has some deliverables which are based on technical things. If the project needs to deliver like a building or a unit or whatever it's whether it's IT project, a software, or EPC project or a PMC project, the project manager, you as a project manager, should be technically qualified to know what you are talking about. This is the first skill that you need to work on. Okay, quickly, the second skill, he should be business experienced. Means the project manager here should be a person with some experience of business. He is leading this business, he is leading this project, and the project is under his control. So without his business experience, the project could lead to be failed. Okay, so now I will explain the other skills quickly, and then I will combine all to be more clear for you what is the combination of those skills. The third one is the leadership. The leadership is important. Why? Because the project manager is always on the head of the pyramid for the project. He have his team under in the organizational chart. Means he is organizing, the project manager is organizing the all other team. So he should be a leadership, a successful leadership who knows how to lead the team. Okay, fourth skill is the analytical thinking. This is important for the project manager because he is working on the forecasts. Means if the project manager have some data and he is analyzing those data. Okay, so he should know the forecast if he is where he is today and what are his forecasts and what he have to do to keep this forecast in line with the project planned values. This is the analytical thinking, and also the analytical thinking is important for the project manager to explain and analyze the risks. He will know the risk at the beginning of the project. Okay. The other is the negotiation, and the last one is the administration. The administration is important because the project manager without administration skills cannot do the job in a correct way. He should be well organized, and he should negotiate always, because negotiation is important for the project manager to negotiate with the client, the milestones, the changes, everything. So those are the main skills the project manager should have to be a successful project manager. This is a very quick session to explain the main skills for the project manager. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe. There will be a lot of new episodes in this session.